Hello, my name is Urmisha Chatterjee, and this is my third task as a data science and business analytics intern at the Sparks Foundation. My task is to perform exploratory data analysis on the famous sample superstore dataset. We will have a look at the dataset soon. Now, for performing exploratory data analysis, I am using Microsoft Power BI, but someone can use other tools like Python or R programming or other visualization tools like Microsoft Excel or Tableau to perform this task. Let us first have a look at the dataset. So as you can see, there are observations corresponding to the country United States, which are divided into states that are further subdivided into cities. The purchasers are divided into segments like consumer, corporate, home offices, and the items that are sold are divided into categories. There are three categories: technology, office supplies, and furniture. The categories are subdivided into subcategories. The columns of interest are sales, quantity, discount, and profit. We will have a visual representation of this data through bars and graphs. I have made those bars and graphs with the help of Power BI. So let us have a view. This is the overall view of the data. In the first diagram, it is a pie chart where I have plotted sales by region. There are four regions: West, East, Central, and South. So as you can see, most of the sales are occurring in Western region, followed by Eastern region, then Central, and finally South. When it comes to profit by region, you will see that most of the profit is coming from the Western region. This is an obvious situation as it looks like, because as there is most of sales in Western region, there is most of profit coming from Western region. This is another indication as well that most of the items, most of the cities or states, they are having profit. That's why most amount of profit is coming from the Western region. And as for the Eastern region, the amount of sales region wise, the contribution is similar profit wise as well. But when it comes to Central region, you will see that the contribution of sales and contribution of profit is less compared to the contribution of sales. Now why is it so? If we have a look at the third diagram, which is discount by region, you will see that higher amount of discount is provided in Central region. So this may be a point of interest to the analyst that the Central region is making less of profit, and the reason could be that there is a high amount of discount provided in Central region. So the analyst may need to check what is happening in Central region. So for our analysis, currently Central region remains a point of interest, and we will have a detailed view of what is happening in Central region as we proceed. Let us have a look at sales by category now. There are three categories: technology, furniture, and office supplies. So you will see that all the three categories, there is equal contribution in sales. As for profit, there is high profit coming from technology items, high profit from office supply items as well, but the profit from furniture items is quite less. We will see that same amount of sales, like there is same share of sales from all the three regions, but the profit from furniture is comparatively less, very less. And when it comes to discount, it is not that there is a very high amount of discount provided in furniture, that's why it's incurring less of profit. We'll see that there is high amount of discount given in office supply items, although there is a high amount of profit in office supply items. And when it comes to this technology, you will see that in technology items less discount is provided, although it is making a high amount of profit and a good amount of sale as well, because technology items nowadays is becoming a necessary item. So however amount of discount is provided, it is not affecting its sales. Its sale is always remaining high. So in the overall view, we have 2 points to note. First is the Central region, like what is happening in Central region, and second is furniture, like why is there less of profit coming from furnitures. We can also have a view at sales of category region wise. So let's have a look for the Western region. So you will see in Western region sales are same in all three categories. There is high profit from furnitures in Western region. They are doing quite well. So office supply, technology items, they are also good. And when it comes to discount, it is not that there is high discount in furnitures. Discounts are also same. There is a high discount in technology to note. So in Western region, furniture items are doing quite well. Let us have a look at the eastern region. In eastern region, the sales by category is same. Furnitures are making less of profit. Office supply and technology items are same. And as for discount, there is similar amount of discount provided in all three categories. As for central region, sales by category, you will see the shares of sales are same. In furniture items, it's nil. Like they are not making at all profit from furniture items in central region. So this is a point of interest. When we have a look at the central region, we will see what is happening, like which states or which cities there is less of profit coming, they are incurring losses, in particular which subcategories of furnitures there are losses coming. And as for discount, less amount of discount is provided in technologies, and although their profit is good, we already saw in overall picture how technology items are performing. And in the final southern region, we will see that furniture items are doing good, office supply items and technology items are also good. Sales are same for all three categories, and discount is also provided with same shares. So at this point of time, our region of interest is central region and eastern region, and furniture items there are not doing well. So let us first have a look at the central region. In central region, so there are 4 diagrams. In the first diagram, I have plotted sales, profit and discount by states. In the second diagram, there are sales and profit by category and subcategory. Actually, we can segregate the categories and subcategories and study their profit and loss in different states and cities. In the third diagram, I have plotted sales by segment, like which segment is purchasing how much quantity. You will see that in central region, most of the purchasing is occurs by consumers, followed by corporate and then home office. In the third diagram, I have plotted sales and profit by cities. Cities are subparts of states. As for the first and fourth diagram, the yellow bars indicate sales, blue bars indicate profit. When the blue bars lies below, it is indicating loss, and when it is above, it is indicating profit. So you will see in the first diagram, states like Texas and Illinois, there is loss. So we may need to identify like in which items they are making losses. So let's start with technology. In technology, there are sub items like phones, copiers, accessories, machines. So in phones, the states are doing well along with the cities. Copiers, there is profit. Accessories, profit. Machines, in machines we will see that in some cities there is losses. So this category under technology needs attention, especially in central region. As for furnitures, chairs are doing good in most of the cities. Tables are not doing good in most of the city. There is loss, and the loss is quite high. Bookcases, mixed. Although in Houston the sales are high, but there is loss in Dallas as well. So these cities needs attention when it comes to sales of bookcases. Furnishings. In furnishings as well, we will see that most of the cities are not doing well, and that same picture is reflected in the states as well. Now let us have a look at the eastern region. As for eastern region, you will see it is the same setup for the diagrams. In New York, the sale is high and also there is positive profit. But when it comes to other states like Pennsylvania or Ohio, there is loss. Now, let us have a look category wise. As for phones, it's good in New York City, but not so good in other cities. Machines. Machine is also not doing good in most of the cities. Copiers is okay. Accessories, good. Chairs, okay. Bookcases, there is loss. It's a mixed view. Tables, there is loss. They're incurring losses in tables. Furnishings, profit. As for office supplies, it's a profit. They're making profit in most of the cities. Binders, then again there is profit, although in Philadelphia you will see loss. Appliances, it's good. Paper, paper is also making profit. Articles, fine. Supplies, there is loss in Philadelphia. So in two categories we saw loss in Philadelphia. It comes under office supplies. So this is the so this city, particular Philadelphia, needs to look like what is happening in this region, in this city. Now let us have a look at the southern region. The diagram setup is same. So in southern region, states like Florida and North Carolina, Tennessee, there is loss. So let us have a look by item wise, like which items are causing losses. Phones doing fine. Machine, there is loss. Accessories, good. Copiers, very good. Furniture items, in southern region we already saw that furniture are making profit, so you can already see that. There is loss in tables though. In bookcases or in furnishings it's good. When it comes to office supplies, storage good. Binders good. Not so good. In binders there are loss in some cities. Appliances, in appliances, Houston and Chicago are the places of concern, like there is a high amount of loss in these two regions. Paper is doing good in all the cities. Supplies, mixed up view. Arts, it's also good view in most of the cities. Okay, and the final region is western region. In western region we already saw that furnitures was doing well in this region. So we will start with furnitures, but before that let's have a look at the first diagram. You will see that in all the states there is profit, overall profit in all the states. We already saw in the overall view that in western region all the categories were doing well. So let us have a look category wise. Chairs are making good profit. Tables, there is profit as well as loss, it's a mixed up view. Bookcases, mixed up. Furnishings, good. Phones, good. Accessories, good. Copiers are doing well. Machines, there is a large amount of loss in Louisville. So this may be a point of interest why like every city is doing well, what is happening in Louisville. Office supplies like storage doing good. Binders, good. Appliances doing good. Paper, good. Supplies, profit. Aren't profit. Tables, there is profit. And office supplies also there is profit. So in western region, in most of the items there is profit, and overall we saw that a large amount of profit comes from the western region. So there are the points of interest are like the central region where furnitures are making losses, and when it comes to subcategories we will see that tables and furnishings in particular they are making losses. Even in good regions like western region or southern region, these items are having losses. As for technology items like machines, they are making losses in the good regions as well, like western region or southern region. And in regions like central or eastern, in those regions as well they are making losses. So the analyst for this particular machines may need to identify like the cities or states where in particular where they are making losses, and try to understand like why they are making losses. So this is an overall picture of the data on sample superstore, and an analyst with the help of these diagrams can only identify the regions of concern. But to understand or improve the situation, one needs to study deeper and understand the history before making any such decision, like how to improve sales or discount. With this, I come to an end of my presentation. Thank you for listening. I hope you all like my presentation. Thank you.